nutrients are divided into group? Option A 6, option B 5, option C 4, option D 2. Your time starts now. The answer is option D 2. Water-soluble vitamins include option A vitamin D, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin K, option D vitamin A. Your time starts now. The answer is option B vitamin C. Microelement are found in option A less quantity, option B medium quantity, option C milligrams, option D all of above. Your time starts now. The answer is option A less quantity. Full form of BMI is option A body mass indication, option B body mass index, option C body measurement, option D none of these. Your time starts now. The answer is option B body mass index. Who discovered vitamin A? Option A Holmer, option B Didon, option C Merck, option D Hopkins. Your time starts now. The answer is option D Hopkins. Chicken, fish meat and egg are the main source of dash. Option A fats, option B carbohydrates, option C fiber, option D proteins. Your time starts now. The answer is option D proteins. The ability to carry out movements to a greater distance with external help is called dash. Option A active flexibility, option B agility, option C passive flexibility, option D coordinative ability. Your time starts now. The answer is option C passive flexibility. Which type of muscle fibers are generate speed? Option A, red fibers. Option B, white fibers. Option C, slow twitch fibers. Option D, none of these. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, white fibers. Coordination word is related to option A, cardiovascular fitness. Option B, coordinative ability. Option C, agility. Option D, flexibility. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, agility. Speed can be measured through option A, jogging. Option B, short sprint. Option C, long sprint. Option D, marathon. Your time starts now.